Hey everyone! If you've been affected by the recent SoCal wildfires, you're probably feeling overwhelmed with what to do next. Today, I'm diving into 5 housing solutions to help you rebuild your life and your home. Let's get started. Option 1. Selling your land. For some, the thought of starting over is just too much. Selling your property can be a quick way to move forward. Real estate markets in areas like Pacific Palisades are still thriving, so you might find a good deal. Make sure to work with a trusted realtor who understands the unique challenges of fire-affected properties. Option 2. Rebuilding on your existing land. Rebuilding can be a great choice if you're attached to your location. With modern building codes emphasizing wildfire-resistant materials, your new home can be safer and more resilient. Plus, state and local programs often provide grants and loans to help with rebuilding costs. Option 3. Modular homes. These prefabricated homes can be quickly assembled and are often more affordable than traditional builds. Many companies now offer fire-resistant models designed for disaster-prone areas. It's an efficient way to get back on your feet with a new home that meets safety standards. Option 4. Renting a home. If rebuilding or buying isn't an option right now, renting can give you the flexibility you need. Mayor Karen Bass has been working on increasing rental assistance for fire victims, making it easier to find temporary or even long-term housing solutions. Check local government resources for available programs. Option 5. Community housing programs. There are numerous nonprofits and community organizations dedicated to helping fire victims. Programs like the California Fire Foundation's SAVE program offer financial aid and housing support. It's worth reaching out to these organizations to see what assistance might be available to you. Navigating the aftermath of a wildfire is never easy, but remember, you're not alone. Whether you choose to sell, rebuild, or explore other options, there's a path forward. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and take it one step at a time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more updates and resources. Take care, everyone.